Hi, everyone. Ashley Arnold, lifestyle health educator and coach. I am excited to let you know about a program that we have coming up. This is a 3-day virtual workshop called How to Stress Less, Live Better in 3 Days. Now, stress less, what the heck are we talking about? Well, of course, we are going to share what exactly we mean by that in the workshop. We cannot wait to have you join us. But what I want you to come away with is that clear understanding of the good versus the bad when we're talking about daily stressors in our lives. And we undoubtedly know that your lives are busy. Your lives are sometimes crazy. And so we are breaking this up over 3 days to create, clear content that you can walk through, but also simple, easy, digestible information and activities that support that on a daily basis. We want to give you lifelong skills and knowledge that you can implement into your normal routines, your normal life, and come away with just an enhanced understanding of your personal health and well-being. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, we are so excited to have you join us. Details for exactly when this program will be offered and how to sign up are below the video. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye now.